Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the Meet tab for video calling within the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on it and scroll down to settings. Tap on it and go to the apps in Gmail category and click on the second option, which is Meet. So here, by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen next to Meet, you will be able to show the Meet tab for video calling. Tap on it and click on Turn On in the middle of the screen, and as you can see down below, you have the Meet tab down below on the bar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.